Let's see how you can use templates to create a new workflow. So to do that, just click on new workflow, go to any of the template section that you want to. Let's say you want to do a simple warehousing task and there is a warehouse inward workflow. Just click on users template. The template will get instantly rendered, and within the template you will have all the components pre-configured. And once you are done, click on preview, and here you will see the inward test workflow. Test it once and you can scan and you can complete. Seems to work. So now once you're actually done, all you have to do, you can also check whether data is collected properly. Looks like it is. So once you're done, hit publish and you're good to go. So that's how you use templates. You need not always go with what is there by default. You can always start editing these templates. Let's say I don't want to use this particular component, I delete it, and during the inwarding I want to take a picture of the product. I just drag and drop a camera component and say product picture, and I store it into a new field in my database called pictures. So now I have made some changes to my the workflow created from the template, and when I hit preview, I can see the changes that I have actually made here. Once I'm sure, I can hit publish for this template for this new workflow to go live. It's not a template anymore. So that's how you use templates and create workflows and edit those workflows in Zorp.